Good morning and welcome to NTM video from the City of Kingston upon Hull, a port city in East Yorkshire. It lies on the River Hull and the Humber Estuary, and we'll be going to see the Marina shortly. We're currently in Trinity Market, Hull's oldest covered market, which offers not only local trading stalls but street food. A famous guy was born here in Hull, William Wilberforce, a prominent politician who had an active part in the abolition of slavery. Here we are, another beautiful minster, Hull Minster. I've visited quite a few lately. Over 700 years of history. Hull Trinity House, a seafarer's charity. What a lovely building. Can you see the fish etched into the paving? Here's another lovely building. It's called a Carmelite House, built in 1826 to house 23 seamen and their wives. It was named Carmelite because of monks that had a monastery around here. Look at this place, the Mission, converted church, now a pub. Princess Quay, a shopping centre that's been built on stilts over the former Princess Dock. I don't think Stanley likes pigeons. I've just come over the road bridge and now we're entering Hull Marina, so let's go and have a look around here. the City Hall. And the light grey building across the road is Ferrens Theatre. That looks a nice pub. No trip would be complete without a viewing of the Humber Bridge. So I've come down to Hessel from the foreshore, looking across to the Humber Bridge. It apparently spans 2,220 metres and was, at one stage in 1981, the longest suspension bridge. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.